TruShield Easy Hard Fold Tonneau Cover is made for the 2007 through 2013 Silverado and Sierra 1500 owners who want one of the quickest ways to cover their bed and one of the most affordable hardcover options in order to do it. I do want to note that this specific choice has two options for bed sizing, including a 5.8-foot short box and the 6.5-foot standard box, so just make sure that you're getting the right version for your truck. Now, regardless of bed size, this is a great entry-level style hardcover to offer some security and wind and weather protection to the items that you keep in your bed or just protection for your bed in general. It's also a lightweight option for a hardcover for an effortless fold when you're opening it, and it's easily removable if you want a cover that will flex to your needs without any hassle. The design here is definitely straightforward with a simple tri-fold nature and a clamp-on design, not including rails or other larger components, which makes this very easy to use on a day-to-day basis and easy to pop off in minutes if you need to access the full bed. Now, this also comes with buckles and straps at the bulkhead to keep this open, and you can drive with it just like this. So you can secure it on the back and you can have some peace of mind that it's going to stay in place even at higher speeds. Now, this also has a hybrid build with the look of a soft cover on the top, thanks to the vinyl material on the outside of the cover and tougher panels and a full frame underneath, as you can see here. So you get the best of both worlds with the security for your bed and the seamless soft cover look. Now, speaking of the coverage this offers, not only does it finish the look of the back, but it's durable enough to protect against wannabe thieves with the hardcover design. It locks with the tailgate for some additional peace of mind there, and it's got tough seals all around the side to keep the bad weather out of your bed. Now, as I said, this is a hybrid design with an outer marine grade black vinyl shell that comes in a textured grain finish. Now, the material is also weather resistant and resistant to UV damage over time, so it's going to keep this look over the long run. Now, supporting the vinyl on the underside are tough plastic panels that are framed by a black epoxy coated aircraft grade aluminum frame, which offers good structure out of the cover and also keeps its shape underneath. Now, the rest of the cover keeps it super simple with foam and rubber seals over on the sides to make sure that this is protected from weather sneaking in, and heavy-duty adjustable clamps on the underside of the cover to ensure a quick and proper fit. Now, this is about $475 to $550, depending on what bed size you have. The price does vary a little bit. Now, comparing to other bed covers in the category, again, this is one of the most affordable choices for a hardcover, even if it is one of the lighter duty options compared to heavier weight choices. And it's super simple when it comes to the setup and installation if you want a no questions asked operation when it comes to a bed cover. Now, if you get any more affordable than this choice, you will be looking at soft covers that won't provide the same amount of security for your bed. So if that's one of the things that you're looking for and you also want to keep it very affordable when it comes to bed coverage, then this is a solid choice. Install is super simple at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and since there's minimal hardware, setup is going to take you no longer than 2 hours to get this out of the box and installed on your truck. At this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get this onto the back of your Sierra or Silverado at home. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing a tonneau cover on our Silverado, so let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is lift your cover onto the bed. Then you can undo your buckles in the back, and we're just going to fold this down just to get it straightened out from side to side and front to back. And then once you have it in a good spot where you like it, we can go underneath and install our clamps. And now this is pretty straight, so I'm just going to carefully fold this back, trying not to shift it. And we'll hop underneath and install our clamps. So now we'll hop underneath the tonneau cover to install our clamp. Now this slides back and forth, so you're going to want to put it up flat against the side of your bed, and then you've got this hook that's going to go up under the bed rail, And then you're just gonna twist your twist knob to clamp down on it. Do that same thing on the other side. So now all we need to do is fold down our cover and latch our back clamp. So I'm gonna grab this, pull it out of the clip, slide it towards the middle. And then the way this is gonna work is when you have the handle like this, it's gonna be at the down position. And then when you crank this up, it's gonna pull down against the bedside to pull this down, tighten it down. So we're gonna have to adjust this a little bit. So fold it down, slide it into place. And then if I pull my handle down, this is still super loose. So we're just gonna twist it on that stud. So now with our clamp engaged, we've still got a lot of play in our cover. So I'm gonna unlatch it, pull this up, and then I'm gonna twist to the right. And you're just gonna have to guess and check a couple times. Slide this over out of the way. Now it looks like it was a little bit too much. So I'm gonna twist to the left a couple times. Recheck, get that under the bed rail. Latch it. And that's a lot tighter, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the TruShield Easy Hard Fold tonneau cover for your 2007 to 13 Silverado and Sierra 1500 with 5.8 foot short and 6.5 foot standard box. Thank you for watching, and for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.